Welcome to META-INF Content Exporter Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to change the color and style of your export based on style sheets. Just open the Customize Export Profile dialog. Click on Edit next to the Style Sheet section, and pick the style sheet you'd like to use. The description field might help you decide. You don't need to know CSS at all to choose from predefined style sheets created by your admin. If you don't see any style sheets or you're missing the one you would like to pick, contact your administrator. Let's pick this style sheet with red headings for now and hit Apply. As you can see, all headings are red in the export. That's it! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.